If you have a Henry that seems to work perfectly fine, but then sometimes just won't turn on at all, it could be your switch. I'm going to show you how to repair that for free. This won't repair all power loss faults. If you're struggling to find out what's gone wrong with your vacuum, just comment below and I'll give you a helping hand. Okay, so make sure you've unplugged from the mains, and we're going to be taking this plastic cover off. You need something thin. I use just a normal kitchen knife because it's not too sharp and won't damage it. You just prise it up like so. Carefully it doesn't all drop apart. Underneath you've got these two, let's call them balls. Make sure that they're not damaged. Okay, inside these contacts here, when you flip the switch, they pivot. So we're going to carefully take these out and clean them. Just use the end of a small screwdriver to do this. Right, so underneath on this contact, it's not too bad, this one. You will see these bits, and we're just going to clean them up with some sandpaper. You can use a nail file or anything like that. Do the same with the other one. It's also worth noting on your switch, if these are totally fine on this one, but if these are discoloured or blackened, again scrape the discoloration away with your screwdriver just to clean that contact up too. I'm going to put a diagram up now of the side view of both these contacts, and these are the areas that you need to be cleaning. And now we're just putting the contacts back in. Okay, so now they're in position. All we need to do is put this back in. Okay, so now when you plug your Henry back in, you will find that your switch works a lot better.